You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a slang term you could call it, designating people who are not descendant from the aboriginal Polynesian inhabitants of Hawaii or Hawaii, especially white people. In Hawaiian, if you want to learn more Hawaiian pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, we've got more here. Locally in Hawaii, it's pronounced as haole, haole, not li. Some in English pronounce it as haole, but locally haole, haole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.